So, what is dating app? Dating app is online dating application that allows us to anonymously swipe to like or dislike our profiles based on their photos, a small bio, and a common interest. Once the two users have matched, they can exchange messages.
Well, basically, dating app is a platform for people to get to know each other, having a friend, or even a real relationship with.
Some people have ever used dating app, around 62.5% of 16 responses, and most of them are 15 until 17 years old, and the rest is 18 plus.
There's also a lot of dating apps in the internet, such as Tinder, Badoo, Hinge, and etc. There's a lot of them.
And our research showed that a little less than a half of the motives are mostly to find someone to be in a relationship with. Others for hookup or just for fun.
And also for boosting their confidence.
Surprisingly, people also fake their own age, around 60.5%. Usually dating apps has almost 70%, finding it easier to find match when they have value.
This app is proven to be effective by 75% of users in helping their love life.
Those are some interesting findings that we got from our survey. Whether you think to use dating app or not is completely consideration. Your own decision.
Thank you for watching our video. To watch our next video, please subscribe and turn on the notification button and stay safe.
Good morning, teachers and friends. Today we'd like to present our survey about TikTok.
When people were asked, what's the biggest thing online besides COVID-19? Well, the first thing that came from most of them is TikTok. Yes, this video sharing app, known in China as Douyin, is a Chinese video sharing social networking service owned by ByteDance, a Beijing-based internet technology company founded in 2012 by Tang Yiming, has become a global pandemic. People from all ages enjoy sharing or just watching videos. And in here, Indonesia was fourth place in terms of number of TikTok users worldwide. But how well do people really know about this app? What do they use it for? And what do they think about TikTok? Well, we have the answer on our recent online survey.
On our recent survey about this app, majority of people have their own TikTok accounts. Most of them know it from their friends, while only 20% of them have not used or have access to the app. Half of the people we surveyed has an account for less than a year, 1/3 of them have had it for 2 years, and only 5% of them have been using it for more than 5 years. For the language that they use on TikTok, both English and Bahasa Indonesia are not a problem for more than half of the respondents. More than 30% prefer to use English. Surprisingly, Bahasa Indonesia was a single preference about 5% of the respondents. This survey shows that around 65% of people spend less than 2 hours on TikTok, while the minority of people spend more than 2 hours or even 5 hours on TikTok. Probably similar to the other social medias, the silent user, or those who enjoy watching the videos, dominating the survey up to 70%, compared to the other active users who only create content videos. People who use TikTok are not picky about the content. As we can see from the survey that around 72% will just go for all kinds of TikToks. The next preferred videos are the funny ones, followed by the dance videos. It is too bad that educational videos are the least favorite. As booming as it is now, one day TikTok will pass its prime. Just like the other social media apps, we can conclude that from the survey that shows only half still considering whether to keep or remove the app, and some have even decided to remove the app. Thank you for listening to our survey.
Morning, teachers and friends. Today we will present about our survey report. Animation. Animation, which is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images, has developed a lot since it was introduced in 1659. Today, most animations are made with computer-generated imagery or CGI, and it has continued to gain popularity ever since. But how well do you know about animation? We have done a survey on this topic.
According to the survey, people know or heard about certain animation mostly from their friends and other sources of information. Less than 10% most have heard it from parents and teachers. Surprisingly, almost everyone loved it. The survey also revealed that Disney's animation has won almost half to the animation fans heard, while the rest are divided into Japanese anime and some who just enjoy all kinds of animation.
The survey shows that nearly 35% are interested in Coco animation and are interested in other animations, and others are divided into several other animations.
Most of the respondents are enthusiastic about animated films, and the rest are just ordinary. In terms of the genre, many prefers to watch adventure animation movies and only some them like comedy and war genres.
Many people like drawing animation because most of them have a good creativity. Some of them like to draw kind of animation with their own imagination, and some just draw characters from games or movies, both on paper or in digital devices. However, some say that drawing animation can be boring too. Only those with good imagination and creativity will find the activity interesting and will never get bored of it. Thank you for your attention.
Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is John Marvel.
And my name is Moses Farrell. We are about to presenting about activities during COVID-19. The year 2020 has hit us hard. We started the year with a terrible outbreak, which is COVID-19. This virus has changed the way of living globally. Everyone around the globe has been affected by it, directly or indirectly. This includes students from everywhere. Recently, we have made some surveys on how the virus has affected students' routines. There are some interesting findings. We can see in the chart the student nowadays spend most of their time to sleep and play games while they rest, which is around 11% is spent on doing tasks The same portion of the time also spent on going outside. In terms of bedtime, more than 90% of students that we surveyed said they go to bed after 9 but before midnight. The rest sleep after midnight, and none of them sleep before 9 p.m.
From the total respondents, they mostly choose sleeping and playing games after online learning. As did the other is doing class and going outside. They mostly choose making bored and struggling to catch up the lesson, the difficult during online learning. Less than 10% is choose online learning when well. They mostly choose making bored and struggling to catch up the lesson, the difficult during online learning. Less than 10% is choose online learning when well. Around 55.6% start doing cycling during COVID. Less 44.4% are doing cycling during COVID.
Thank you for listening our presentation, and